I just want to, first of all, for the viewers, those who are joining in right now, give you a sense of the timeline, the horror timeline of what this 20-year-old girl had to endure since the time she was, in fact, gang raped by 4 people. Now, let's just take a look very quickly at this moment, in fact, about what the entire timeline is. So on September 14th, this Dalit woman was gang raped in the Bulagiri village in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras. Now, she was, in fact, on her way to a gate there, and before she could reach there, just few meters away from where her mother was working, she was dragged into by 4 people, those who then gang raped her. Now, on September 14, the victim, after being found in a very serious condition, bleeding, she was in fact referred to the Aligarh hospital by the clinic where she was taken initially. On 15th of September, the victim gained consciousness. On September 20th, the police reached the hospital for the statement of the girl. On 22nd, the victim gives her statements to the cops. On 26th, the Uttar Pradesh police arrest 4 suspects. On 28th, she was shifted to the Safdarjung hospital where I'm standing right now. And unfortunately, on 29th, after a valiant fight for her life, suffering from a completely dismembered tongue, a broken back, complete paralysis, this 20-year-old succumbed to her injuries. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has been saying that Uttar Pradesh law and order situation has gone better. Just to put things in perspective, I just want you to take a look at these graphics. In 2018, 3,946 rape cases were reported in Uttar Pradesh. If you take that, that would come around to about 11 cases per day. In 2017, let's compare it, 4,246 cases every day. 12 cases were reported. So this is the last two, 2017 and 2018 performance of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.